Hello students of class 7 of Vidya Bhavan School. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I am going to discuss sum number 32 of exercise number 13, that is from the chapter formula and their application. Okay, so let us read sum number 32. It is given that if a plus b equals to 3 and a minus b equals to 2, what is the value of 8ab within brackets a square plus b square? So what data have been provided, what information have been provided? So this is sum number 32. Okay, so we have been given a plus b equals to 3 and a minus b equals to 2, right? And we have been asked to find out the value of 8ab into a square plus b square. Okay, now see, this is a bit difficult sum. So how can I write this? We can write this 8ab as 4ab into 2a square plus b square, right? We can write this. Now see this 4ab, note here, okay? This 4ab we can write as, this 4ab we can write as a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. See how can I write this? Why I am writing this? See, just so if I expand this, just put a third bracket. So if I just expand this, this will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So just open the brackets, a square plus b square plus 2ab. First bracket we are opening, a minus a square minus a into minus into a square is minus a square, minus into b square is minus b square, minus into minus is plus, so plus 2ab. Okay, so this a square and a square will cancel out, this b square and b square will cancel out, so we will be left with 2ab plus 2ab, 2ab plus 2ab. So we can write it as 4ab. So instead of writing 4ab, can I write this thing? Okay, we can write this. I show you why can I write this. So a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Okay, now see how can I write 2 within bracket a square minus b square. Okay, I'm rubbing this portion. So we can write 2a square plus b square like a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Same thing, we will just expand a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so okay, now this will be plus. Okay, sorry, this will be plus. So this will become a square plus is plus into a square is plus a square, plus into b square is plus b square, plus minus is minus, so minus 2ab. So this time this plus 2ab and this minus 2ab will cancel out, so we will get a square plus a square, that is 2a square, and b square plus b square, that is 2b square. Now both of the terms are having 2, so we can take 2 common and can write 2a square plus b square. So instead of writing 2a square plus b square, we can write this thing also. So we will do that here. So we will write here a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square and bracket close. Now you see we have the value of a plus b, we have the value of a minus b. So we will just put the values here. What is the value of a plus b? It's 3. So it will be 3 square. And what is the value of a minus b? It is 2. So 2 square. Again a plus b is 3 square and a minus b is 2 square. Right? So this will be 9 minus 4 and this will be 9 plus 4. 9 minus 4 is how much? It's 5. 9 plus 4 is 13. So my answer is 65. This is my answer. So it is a bit difficult sum. You need to understand that why instead of 4ab I am writing this, why instead of 2a square 2 within bracket a square plus b square I am writing this. Okay, so practice this sum well. Okay, I hope this is clear. So keeping up to this for in this video, we will continue in the next class. Thank you.